Hello everyone, my name is In-young Park, your Korean teacher. From today, we are going to learn about easy, fun, simple Korean introductions and expressions. This class is designed for those of you who already finished Korean alphabet, so how to know how to read and write, and also those of you who want to learn easy, simple Korean expressions. So let's get started. So our unit first name is 인사와 소개. Greetings and introductions. So we will learn how to greet in Korean language, and also you will introduce yourself. Number 2, and our topic is Hello, I am Hien. So like I say, you can introduce yourself in Korean. 안녕하세요, 저는 희엔이에요. This is our objectives, 학습 목표. So let's take a look first. Know how to greet and introduce yourself in Korean. 한국어로 인사하고 자기소개를 할 수 있다. And table of contents, number 1, we have grammar points. So first, we will learn greetings and regarding its grammar points. Number 2 is, the vocabulary text. So we will learn about nationality and jobs. Number 3, we will practice more based on what we've learned. Number 4, we also have grammar 2. This is second grammar points. So noun is noun. 은 or 는, I will explain what is the difference between 은 and 는, which is Korean particle. And number 5, we will speak more through the speaking practice. Number 6, we have another set of speaking practice. And number 7, we will explore more about dialogue. This is a very natural way of speaking among Koreans. Number 8, yes, again, we will practice more about the dialogue. And finally, we have comprehensive practice, which is 종합 연습. Okay, these are vocabulary regarding in class. So first, we have the ear, the cute ear picture. So please listen in Korean language. 들으세요. 들으세요. And yes, he is reading a book. In Korean language, we say 읽으세요. 읽으세요. So if I say please read, and I would say in Korean 읽으세요. Number 3, yes, we have a very cute picture of the speaking. 말하세요. 말하세요. And please watch or see. 보세요. 보세요. And yes, repeating and speaking is very important in learning a language. So I will say 따라하세요. 따라하세요. We will, of course, learn more about the verbs. So this 세요, 세요 is suggestion in Korean. So I will say 듣다 and 세요, it become together. Then 들으세요. Again, 읽다 is the verb of to read, but because of 세요, it can be suggestion. 읽으세요. 말하다 as a verb of to speak. 말하세요. 보다, to watch or to see. So, 보세요. 따라하다, to repeat. 따라하세요. So, these are all vocabulary that you should need to know. Okay, our first grammar point is regarding greetings, 인사말. So, 인사하다 in English, to greet. How can we greet each other in Korean? Okay, first, hello. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Goodbye. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. We have another set of goodbye, but it's a little bit different. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. I will explain the difference between 안녕히 계세요 and 안녕히 가세요 later. And then when you meet somebody else for the first time, we can say nice to meet you. So how do we read in Korean? 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. This 만나다, the part means to meet in English. However, it can be a reason. So this 서 stands for the reason or connecting the two different parts of in sentence. So 만나서 by meeting, I feel nice to meet you. 반가워요. And we have also apologize and then say thank you. Let's take a look saying thank you first. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. Next one, sorry. 미안합니다. 미안합니다. Okay, let's read from the first part. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. 미안합니다. 미안합니다. Please repeat and repeat by yourself. Let's say hello in Korean with some pictures. Like you see, we take a bow to each other. This is very traditional way of saying hello. So when you say 안녕하세요, please make your body a little bit down. 안녕하세요. Then your partner or your friend or your opponent will repeat the same thing. 안녕하세요. If we omit 하세요, then that will be very casual way of saying hello. 안녕. 안녕. So it's very simple to recognize which is honorific form and which is casual form. So let's say you say these greetings to your friend. You just simply say 안녕. 안녕. However, if you want to be informal and you want to use honorific, that will be 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Yes, this is the first meeting of these two men. So he first said, 만나서 반가워요. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반가워요. Because he's repeating the same greeting, so you may omit 만나서. So 반가워요 in a simple form is also acceptable. 반가워요. 반가워요. Come again. 만나서 반가워요. 반가워요. This is greetings regarding saying goodbye. First, she leaves the place with a dog, and she, the other woman, is staying at the same place. So, let's say you are now leaving the place. Then you may say, 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. If you are the one who stays the place the same, then you will say 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. Because 가다 means to go. So if I translate in literally, that means go well. Go well. So please choose depends on the situation. So let's repeat one more time. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. I just mentioned the simple version of greeting 안녕. So you can also use this 안녕 form when you say goodbye because it's just simply the same. So especially to your friends, you want to say goodbye or see you later, we can say 안녕. 안녕. Yes, that's it. Now, she is saying thank you. In Korean language, we say 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. If you want to take a bow to be very honorific, Yes, you can do it. So 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. She looks very sad for what she's done. So she say sorry. 미안합니다. 미안합니다. Let's repeat one more time. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. 미안합니다. 미안합니다. So, let's guess the right answer based on the picture. So, 알맞은 인사 means appropriate greetings. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Look at her facial expression. So, the appropriate answer will be 미안해요. 미안해요. So I introduced 미안합니다 for the first place, but in this picture we have 미안해요. Those two are both honorific way of saying I am sorry, but 미안합니다 is more like written language. So if you want to say 미안해요 in conversation, this is also correct. So first 미안합니다 and then 미안해요. Yes, they are greeting because they met each other for the first time. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. If we want to omit 만나서 part, that's also acceptable. 반가워요. 반가워요. So today we learn about how to greet in Korean language. So first, saying hello, 안녕하세요. Or if you want to use casual form, that would be just 안녕, 안녕. And then we also learn about saying goodbye. 안녕히 계세요, 안녕히 가세요. So, depends on the situation. If you are leaving that place, that you will say 안녕히 계세요, stay well. And if you are the one who stay the place, then you say go well to the other people. Then it would be 안녕히 가세요. Saying thank you in Korean, 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. Saying sorry in Korean, 미안합니다. Or 미안해요. 미안합니다 is more like written language. And if we want to say nice to meet you in Korean, 만나서 반가워요. Good. So I hope you review and practice yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.